All the Maharashtra candidates for BMS, BBA, BCA, BBM and Hotel Management. This video is really important for you because we're going to be explaining the step-by-step application process because आप लोगों की registration open हो चुकी है. It started yesterday, which is 14th of January and it will remain open till 16th of February. Now आपके पास पूरा एक महीना है. And this registration process is important because lot of students are confused कि कौन से document आपको लगेंगे, क्या domicile अभी आपको fill करना है कि बाद में भरना है. तो I'll explain each and everything in the video, so make sure guys that you watch the video till the end so that you are not making any mistake because अगर यहाँ पे आप mistake करते हो तो rectify करना बाद में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. Now, before I show you the step-by-step procedure, let's understand what are the important documents that you need for CET registration. So, these are the list of important documents that you need for CET registration. यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा सवाल आ जाता है APAAR और आधार आईडी को लेके. Now, CET official notice has been emphasizing कि आधार और APAAR आईडी आपके लिए मैंडेटरी है रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए. पहली चीज. दूसरी चीज, अगर आपकी आधार आईडी है आपके पास बट आपका लेटेस्ट फोटो नहीं है, देन इट्स अ प्रॉब्लमैटिक थिंग. सेकंड, कि आपका जो आधार आईडी से मोबाइल नंबर लिंक्ड है वो फंक्शनल होना चाहिए बिकॉज आगे चल के सारे जो ओटीपीज आएंगे आपके पूरे रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस में वो इन्हीं नंबर पे होगा. सो इट्स रियली क्रूशियल दैट यू हैव एन अपडेटेड फोन नंबर, ईमेल आईडी एंड योर फोटोग्राफ लिंक that is on your आधार कार्ड. even check your address. रही बात APAAR ID की, अगर आपके पास APAAR ID नहीं है तो क्या आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हो? आप कर सकते हो बिकॉज APAAR ID जनरेट करने के लिए आपको DigiLocker में जाना है. वहां पे आपको एक टैब दिखेगा APAAR ID का, उस पर आपको क्लिक करना है. देन सिलेक्ट योर बोर्ड एंड योर स्कूल. आपका 12 डिजिट नंबर जनरेट हो जाता है. So that is how your APAAR ID is generated. अब APAAR ID जनरेट होने के बाद आप अपना जो है CET का फॉर्म रजिस्टर कर पाओगे बिकॉज आपकी जो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो वहां से सोर्स कर लेगा ऑटोमेटिकली. इन एनी सिनेरियो APAAR ID जनरेट नहीं हो रहा है. दो ऑप्शंस आपके पास है, या तो आप अपने एग्जिस्टिंग स्कूल या कॉलेज जाइए, वहां पे आप पूछिए कि यू नो हाउ वी कैन फिक्स इट बिकॉज कई बच्चों का ऐसा हमने देखा है कि उनका जो स्कूल है वो लिस्ट में नहीं आ रहा है व्हेन दे आर ट्राइंग टू जनरेट APAAR ID. इन दैट केस स्कूल कैन हेल्प यू. सो नो नीड टू पैनिक एज आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू. आपके पास पूरे एक महीने हैं. आपका आधार अपडेटेड नहीं है, वो कराने का आपके पास टाइम है, वो आप करवा लीजिए. आपका APAAR ID जनरेट नहीं हो रहा है, टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम द स्कूल एंड वी विल ऑल्सो कम अप विद एन एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो कि कैसे आप ये खुद जनरेट कर सकते हो. अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो, डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स बिलो. एंड सून वी आर हैविंग अ लाइव वेबिनार विच इज फ्री फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स कि कैसे रजिस्टर करना है, वेयर माई टीम गोना एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप और आप संडे को साथ में हमारी टीम के साथ रजिस्टर कर सकते हो. Also guys, we do paid hand holding जहाँ पे we assign you a team member जो आपका form filling process personally आपके साथ करता है and the team is there with you till you get admission. And if you're interested for hand holding, just contact us on this WhatsApp number. My team will revert with all the details to you. And to join the live webinar and instant information, join this WhatsApp group where you will get all the exclusive information. Now let's see the step-by-step procedure that how you're gonna register.
Log in with your registered credentials, your email ID and your password. Once you sign in, you will have to complete to DigiLocker. Proceed to DigiLocker, complete the steps. Authenticate with your Aadhaar number. Once you authenticate via the OTP, you will be entering the DigiLocker portal. Enter your PIN whichever you have set. If you don't remember, you can forget it. Now please remember, while you do so, you have to click your APAAR and Aadhaar both and then verify. Once the authentication is done, documents are shared, you can go ahead and register. So as you can see, the final steps are very simple. You have to enter the APAAR ID which was generated. You can copy it from the ABC Bank of Credits like it is shown in the following steps. You have to log in, you have to download, click on the APAAR ID number and paste it into the APAAR ID box. Once that is done, you have to enter the name as per the HSC mark sheet, your father's name, mother's name, religion, everything as you can see in the video. Select your gender, select your religion, select your marital status, select the region in which you stay, select your mother tongue, the family income, and then you have to select your marital status. Once you do that, you have to enter your permanent address. This is the address in which you are residing. Okay, address in which you reside, enter your state correctly, followed by the district, the taluka, the village and the pin code. Once that is done, please remember you can enter an alternate mobile number. Do so. It is a very good practice to always have an alternate mobile number. You can click on same as permanent address to proceed ahead. Once you do that, if you have any reservation details or if you have domicile in the state of Maharashtra, that needs to be entered appropriately. You have to enter the year of passing of your 10th standard, the board in which you passed, and the state where your school was present. In your 12th standard, whether you are passed or appearing has to be mentioned. Once you have done that, you can see the CET registration button. Click the respective HMCT Bms Bba button and you will get an OTP for authentication. Once that is done, once it is verified, then the portal will fetch the data. Please read the instruction carefully before proceeding. Once you proceed, it will be pre-fetched from whatever information you give. Click on save and proceed. Just verify. This step is all verification. You have to verify the data that you've entered, whether it is correct or incorrect. Once that has been done, carefully, if there is any problem, you can still edit it. If you have selected, if you save and proceed, then it's difficult that you can come back and edit. Also, with respect to category information, whether you have a reservation, mention the details correctly like you see in the screen. This is an open category for demonstration purposes that we have shown. In case you select yes on the respective category name, then you have to upload the respective proformas. Here, if you select EWS, you have to upload proforma 5. You have to upload your respective caste name if you select any of these castes. Yeah. Once that is done, you have to also get an option. You also get an option to upload your minority information, whether you belong to any minority, which is Gujarati, Jain, so on and so forth, Catholic minority. Just verify your details one more time. Once you have done that, mention your preferences in the order from most preferred location to the least preferred. So for Mumbai city, it is Mumbai, Mumbai city, Mumbai suburban, Thane and then Pune. That's the best option that you could look at. We are selecting those accordingly. If you have different preference, you can select accordingly as per your wish. Once that is done, you need to upload your photo and your signature, right? Upload your latest photo in which your complete face is visible. The dimensions is given on the right, the size is given on the right. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and upload. This is a sample photo we are uploading. Similarly, we can upload the signature. Once you do that, you can click on the submit button. Now, for verification, you can select any of these documents, for example, Aadhaar card, and you can upload the respective Aadhaar card document. Once you did that, you will come on the last step, which is the print form page on which you can re-verify the details. In case there is any problem, you can go ahead and edit it. If not, just go ahead and proceed. So once you come and the last step, this is a payment step wherein you can go to the payment gateway. Once you pay the fees, 1300 is for open category. For reservation category, the fees is still less.
I hope guys you saw the process of registration. It's quite simple. It might take 10 minutes, 15 minutes depending on how fast the server is working when you are doing the registration. I hope guys the video was helpful. Share this video with all your friends and yes, stay tuned to Media Mentor to get all the important information on your exams, colleges and career. And if you want to reach out to me personally for one-on-one counseling session, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. My team will share all the details with you. And yes, if you're looking for the CET crash course, just scan this barcode or WhatsApp on this number to get all the details to enroll for the crash course, which will help you to get in your dream college. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.